In the digital age where screen time dominates daily life, YouTube has emerged as an unparalleled platform for video content. Its ubiquity and ease of access have revolutionized how information and entertainment are consumed, giving rise to new forms of storytelling and audience engagement. For businesses, this creates an opportunity that simply cannot be ignored. Whether you're a startup looking for brand exposure or an established company aiming to expand your reach, understanding the complexities of YouTube marketing can give you a formidable edge over competitors. This comprehensive guide aims to provide you with a 360-degree understanding of the YouTube landscape, covering everything from basic channel setup to advanced marketing strategies, analytics, and audience engagement. Understanding the potential of YouTube as a marketing platform. Global reach. YouTube isn't merely a domestic phenomenon. It's a global platform accessed by over 2 billion logged-in monthly users. This is a sprawling, global audience that cannot be found in one place anywhere else, giving businesses the ability to reach consumers across different countries, cultures, and languages. Brands can target videos to specific regions and customize content to suit varied tastes, making YouTube an invaluable tool for international marketing strategies. High engagement rates. Videos engage multiple senses, sight and sound, making it an incredibly effective medium for capturing attention and influencing behavior. The emotional impact of video is scientifically proven to be more potent than static images or text, making viewers more likely to share, comment, and interact with video content. This is crucial for any brand looking to not just reach an audience but also to engage with them deeply. The power of video. In today's era, where people are inundated with more information than ever, video offers a respite from the relentless stream of text-based content. Videos can condense complicated topics into easy-to-understand formats, employ storytelling to make an emotional connection, and even leverage humor or suspense to keep viewers watching. The multifaceted nature of video makes it a highly effective tool for conveying complex messages while also entertaining viewers. Building and optimizing your YouTube channel. Attention-grabbing banner. Your channel's banner is the first thing people see when they visit. It's your platform's virtual storefront, offering valuable space for brand messaging and call to actions like website links or promotions. The banner should not only be visually captivating but should also succinctly convey what your brand offers and why a viewer should subscribe. Engaging channel description. An effective channel description goes beyond listing the types of videos you offer. It should tell a story about your brand, outline your mission, and indicate what viewers stand to gain from subscribing. This is also a good place to use relevant keywords that can aid your channel's SEO, making it easier for people to find you when they search for content in your niche. Video playlists. Playlists are not merely organizational tools. They're an essential part of the viewer's journey through your content. Well-structured playlists guide viewers from one video to another, increasing watch time and thereby boosting your channel's YouTube search ranking. Playlists can be thematic, sequential, or even skill-level based, offering multiple entry points for viewers with different interests or needs. Customized layout. Your channel homepage is essentially your brand's YouTube landing page. A well-thought-out layout can make a significant difference in how long visitors stay and how many videos they watch. Consider spotlighting your most popular uploads or creating sections that showcase different types of content, like tutorials, product reviews, or customer testimonials, to give viewers a comprehensive understanding of your brand. Creating engaging video content, tips and strategies. Storytelling techniques. Effective storytelling is much more than relaying facts. It's about creating a compelling narrative that resonates emotionally with viewers. Whether you're introducing a new product, explaining a complex concept, or sharing a customer testimonial, structuring your video around a compelling narrative can dramatically increase viewer engagement and retention. Consider using storytelling arcs that have a clear beginning, middle, and end, and make sure to include a call to action that aligns with the story you've told. Visuals and music. Visual and audio elements have the power to make or break your video's impact. High-quality graphics, well-framed shots, and professional-grade lighting can significantly elevate the viewer's perception of your brand. Similarly, a well-selected musical score can add depth and emotion to your videos. These elements should be chosen carefully to complement each other and to align perfectly with your brand's image and the message you want to convey. Pacing. Maintaining the right pace is vital for keeping your audience's attention. Too slow, and you risk losing their interest. Too fast, and you may leave them feeling overwhelmed. Balance is key. A well-edited video eliminates unnecessary content while retaining everything that adds value to the viewer. Strategic use of cuts, transitions, and pauses can add dynamism to your videos, making them more engaging and easier to follow. SEO for YouTube: how to rank your videos higher. Keyword research. Effective YouTube SEO starts with identifying the keywords that are most relevant to your content and audience. Once identified, these keywords should be naturally integrated into your video titles, tags, and descriptions. This not only helps your videos show up in YouTube searches but can also get them featured in Google's video search results, thereby increasing your potential reach significantly. Optimizing titles and descriptions. The title of your video serves as its headline, and like any good headline, it should be compelling and rich with keywords. However, cramming it full of keywords at the expense of readability or relevance can backfire. Your video description should offer a succinct summary of the video's content while also incorporating relevant keywords and phrases. It's also a good place to include any additional information, links, or call to actions. Closed captions. Closed captions do more than just make your videos accessible to a wider audience, including those with hearing impairments. They also make your content more digestible for viewers who prefer reading over listening. Furthermore, since captions are crawlable by search engines, they can significantly enhance your video's SEO. Always make it a point to include well-timed, accurate captions in your videos. YouTube advertising, types and best practices. AD formats. YouTube offers a range of advertising formats including skippable and non-skippable video ads, display ads, overlay ads, and sponsored cards. Understanding the pros and cons of each can help you choose the one that aligns best with your marketing goals. For instance, skippable ads are less intrusive but may not deliver your full message, whereas non-skippable ads ensure your entire message is seen but may irritate viewers. Audience targeting. With YouTube's robust demographic and psychographic targeting options, you can tailor your advertising to be as broad or as specific as your strategy demands. You can target audiences based on age, gender, interests, location, and even by the type of device they're using. Properly utilizing these features can drive highly targeted traffic to your videos, increasing your chances of converting views to actions. AD optimization. The process of ad optimization doesn't end when your campaign goes live. Monitoring key metrics like click-through rates, view rates, and conversion rates can offer invaluable insights into what's working and what needs adjustment. Use these insights to refine your ad content, targeting parameters, and bidding strategies to maximize ROI. Engaging with your audience. Comments, likes, and shares. Audience interaction. Active and consistent audience interaction can turn casual viewers into loyal subscribers and brand advocates. Make it a habit to reply to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to like and share your videos. This not only increases the individual video's engagement metrics but also fosters a sense of community around your brand, making your audience more likely to stay engaged long-term. Leverage social media. Don't limit your video promotion to YouTube alone. Share snippets, behind-the-scenes looks, or promotional trailers on other social media platforms to draw a broader audience. Cross-promotion amplifies your reach and can lead to higher engagement rates and, ultimately, a more significant return on your marketing investments. YouTube analytics. Measuring success and understanding your audience. Understanding the numbers is crucial for any marketing effort, and YouTube is no exception. Metrics like view count and watch time are essential, but they are just the tip of the iceberg. Dive deeper to understand metrics like audience demographics, traffic sources, and engagement rates. These more granular insights can offer actionable guidance on how to improve your content, optimize your upload schedule, and effectively monetize your channel. Conclusion. Leveraging YouTube for business growth. YouTube is a multifaceted platform that offers businesses a unique opportunity for growth through content creation, advertising, and community building. Consistency, creativity, and community engagement are the cornerstones of YouTube's success. By employing a well-rounded strategy that balances these three elements, businesses can convert views into subscriptions, subscriptions into an engaged and loyal community, and this community into measurable business growth. YouTube is more than just a platform for video sharing. It's a powerful engine that can drive your business forward if used correctly. So, take these strategies to heart, implement them effectively, and watch your brand soar to new heights on YouTube.